Hi there, welcome to Innspec. This is the network for hotel supply and design. I've got a couple of tutorials about how to create a user profile and a company profile. We'll start with creating your own profile. So you've just received an email saying that your membership has been approved. So click the link and that takes you here. Create your profile. Sign up. So we'll go through a couple of steps about adding a good profile. As with any other social media platform, you want to put in a picture of yourself. Obviously, we'll be using a couple of dummy profiles here, and we'll be focusing on a supplier profile. Let's have a look if the company is here. In this case, it's not. So we're going to create your company for the first time. So create the company. Otherwise, you can join an existing company if your company is listed. So we'll add a name, we'll add a website just for demonstration. So you can join up and create a company. The 5 user types are here around which Innspec is based. The companies that are always involved in hotel development: suppliers, designers, owner-operators, consultants, and contractors. So in this case, we'll be focusing on a supplier. What type of supplier? Is it a manufacturer, distributor, agent, retailer, etc.? This will become clear that it's important to distinguish yourself. What is it that you do, so that you can connect with your distribution network worldwide or your brand partners, etc. In this case, we are going to be a manufacturer. And what is it that we supply? Well, we're going to focus. There's many thousands of categories of all kinds of hotel commodities listed, from pillows to duvets to slippers to lighting, all kinds of furnishing, etc., fabrics and leather. But for now, we'll just focus on, for example, carpets and rugs. We'll choose what we do. What kind of carpets and rugs do we supply? Let's be specific so that our clients can find us, or specifiers can find us. We don't do rugs, we do installation, so we're doing broadloom mainly. No Wilton, and no tile, and no hand knotted. And save our company types. You can add an office. This is the main office. So in this case, let's just pick one. This is going to be our headquarter, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pin your location so that people can find you. And there we are. We now see that we've got a user profile and a company profile. So is there anything else that you want to add to your own personal profile? For example, your position within the company, director of sales. Your email address is here for you to see, but nobody else will see the address. You can add phone number, Skype, let's just say supplier, and a Twitter handle, which you can add for yourself in this case, or for your company. And there we are. So you can also change your settings. When do you want people to when do you want to know when people have joined your company, etc. So we'll save that, and then we'll do a couple of things to your company profile. Here we see the name, the address. Let's add a Twitter handle. We supply carpets to the hospitality industry, for example. Spell that right. And this will go up on your profile. How many employees? Let's pick a slightly bigger number. Add your company logo. Here's one that was saved. And add a cover image to your company profile. So in this case, maybe one that has a good image of carpet in it. And we'll add that. Don't forget to save. and then it will update your company profile as others would see it. And here it is. You've got a cover image, what you are as a company profile, what you supply. People can get in touch. They can find your website. They can find your social media channels. They can request more information directly. They can get in touch with you and your colleagues via Skype, via your company, or direct mail on the application. They can find your office or offices. We'll go about adding more offices. And you can go back here, and I'll quickly show you what else you can do via your company profile. You can add more offices, manage portfolios, manage partnerships. Partnerships in this case are, for example, your distribution network. You're the manufacturer in one country and you have stockists, wholesalers, distribution partners, or agents in other countries. You can add their company profiles by inviting them to Innspec and then linking up your company profile with their company profile. You can upload all of your catalogs for your various product ranges. You can manage colleagues, so you can invite more colleagues, and you can create events, for example, product launches, etc., where you can also manage the events that you'll be attending. We'll get to all of those points in other tutorials, and we'll also, in other tutorials, tackle the social media channels that you can link up with your company profile on Innspec, allowing you to do all the things that we can do on Innspec, such as add catalogs, add events, join events, tag imagery, add your product, etc. And make sure that anything that you do on Innspec is connected to your social media channels, making it easier for you to market yourselves from one place to all the various social media channels. In your profile, you could, if you should ever need to, change your company profile, and you can add, remove product categories and commodities. It's important to be specific about what it is that you do, and so that it's easier for suppliers and designers, or specifiers and designers, to find you amongst many, many other suppliers on board. So have a look out for other tutorials about some tools and tips and so forth, and enjoy Innspec. Thanks very much.